India is my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In there will be and prosperity, along lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
National news is brought to you by Rupa of Grade Topaz. International news. Israel-Palestine conflict. Death toll soars above 1,100 in war with Hamas. 2 Israel tourists. Local guide shot dead by Egypt policeman. National news. 8 forts conduct disaster relief operations in Sikkim. Thank you. Have a nice day. Next, my friend will be continued state and sport news. Everyone, today's state and sport news is brought to you by Hasni of Grade 8 Topaz. State news. Assembly elections 2023 hopes CM KCR will win a 3rd term. Sports news. Virat Kohli nears 26k runs for India. Thank you. The report is brought to you by V. Akshay of Grade 8 Topaz. Today's weather report. Minimum temperature 32 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 23 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today thought is brought to you by K. Srima Reddy of Grade 8 Topaz, and the thought is all your dreams can come true if you have courage to pursue them. I repeat it again, all your dreams can come true if you have courage to pursue them. Thank you.
Everyone, today's word is brought to you by Kirtan of Grade 8 Topaz. Today's word, courage. Meaning, the ability to control fear in a situation. Friends, please spell after me. Courage. C-O-U-R-A-G-E. Thank you. Today, Amazing Facts is brought to you by Srivashni from Grade 8 Topaz. Fact number 1. Most people fall asleep in 7 minutes. Fact number 2. An ostrich eye is bigger than its brain. Thank you. Have a nice day. Today, math information is brought to you by B. Sindhu of Grade 8 Topaz. Math information. From 0 to 1000, the only number that has the letter A in it is 1000. 4 is the only number in the English that is spelled with same number of letters. Thank you. Today's GK questions for grade 6 to 9 is brought to you by Amulya of Grade 8 Topaz. Grade 6. Which is the most sensitive organ in our body? I repeat my question. Which is the most sensitive organ in our body? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is skin. Grade 7. Scientific study of birds is known as? I repeat my question. Scientific study of birds is known as? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is ornithology. Grade 8. The acid which is found in milk. Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is malic acid. Grade 9. The study of universe is called? I repeat my question. The study of universe is called? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is cosmology. Thank you. For his teachings of Dharma. Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Samrat Ashoka. Let us appreciate them.
month is the Vaishnavi of VIII College. What is the big event in India 2023? Deep-rooted ties with Argentina. First G20 heads of state and government summit from September 9 to 10. Second, India travel exhibition in February 24 to 26. Third, World Environment Congress from July 9 to 10. Fourth, World Public Relationship Forum from September 21 to 23. Thank you. Next, my friend will continue State and Sport News. State and Sport News is brought to you by Saif Muhammad of Great Recall. 2023 Cricket World Cup scheduled to host 13th edition of ICC Cricket World Cup in October and November. First time to host India all one. Next my friend, thank you. Next my friend, Hemant will continue. Today's weather report is brought to you by Hemant Sainath Reddy of VIII Coral. Weather report. Minimum temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Next, my friend will continue. Start. Today's thought is brought to you by Professor of VIII Coral. Start. Respect to elders. I repeat my thought. Respect to elders. Thank you. Have a good day. Next, my friend will continue the thought of Today word is brought to you by Pavani of VIII Coral. Word respect, meaning a polite behavior towards someone. Friends, please spell after me. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Respect. Thank you. Next, my friend will continue. My name is Srivarsha. Today's science amazing fact is brought to you by Srivarsha of VIII Coral. Fact number 1. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Fact number 2. The only planet which spins clock is a Venus. Fact number 3. The solar system was formed about 46 billion years ago. Fact number 4. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. Thank you. Next, my friend will continue GK questions. Today, GK questions are brought to you by Smriti of VIII Coral. GK question. Question for grade 1. How many days do we have in a week? 7 days. Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is 7 days. Let appreciate. Question for grade 2. Which number comes after 199? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is 200. Let's appreciate them. Question for grade 3. How many planets are there in the solar system? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is 10. Let's appreciate them. Question for grade 4. Which is the deepest ocean in the world? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is the Pacific Ocean. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 5. What is the largest irrigation canal? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is Indira Gandhi Ji Canal. Let us appreciate them. Thank you.